In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product packaging design in Canva. We'll start by setting up the project so you have the right foundation, then move into design best practices, and finish with exporting and printing options. Begin by opening a new design in Canva, or browse the packaging templates if you want a quick starting point. If you're creating a label or a custom size package, use the custom size option. A flexible starting canvas is 1080 by 2400 pixels. You can always adjust it as your specs become clearer. In the Elements tab, search for Packaging Die Line or a Box Die Line. A die line is the flat layout that shows exactly where your package will fold and be cut. Add one to your canvas, scale it to fit, and then lock it using the lock icon. Locking prevents accidental shifts as you build your design. Design slightly beyond the die line edges to create bleed so color and graphics reach the trim without leaving white edges. Press Shift+R to reveal rulers and guides, and drag guides onto the page to mark margins, folds, and panel centers. This keeps everything aligned and readable. Now, bring in your brand. Go to the Uploads tab and add your logo, product photos, and any brand patterns or textures you use. Keep file quality high for crisp printing. With the Text tool, add essential information, your product name, ingredients, usage instructions, and the barcode. Maintain a consistent font family and limit styles for a clean, professional look. Establish hierarchy by making the product name prominent, then supporting details smaller. Ensure excellent contrast for legibility, and place the barcode on a flat, light area with enough quiet space around it so scanners read it reliably. Enhance the aesthetic using the Elements tab. Frames help place photos neatly, illustrations add personality, and simple lines or shapes can guide the eye across panels. If you need quick refinements, try Canva's Magic Studio tools. Magic Edit can adjust or replace elements to better match your brand, and Background Remover is great for isolating product shots so they sit cleanly on your layout. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the best resolution. For professional printing, select the CMYK color profile if it's available to you. This option is provided to Canva Pro users and helps colors reproduce more accurately in print. If you prefer an end-to-end solution, you can order physical prints like stickers, labels, or bags directly through Canva by clicking Print with Canva in the editor. That's it. Thanks for watching.